In this episode, we decided to go the extra mile with this 1947 GMC 100 after a lot of you in the comments asked us to dig a little deeper. Normally, once we find out an engine won't move, that's usually where the investigation stops. But this time we decided to pull the cylinder head and see what was really going on inside this old GMC Straight Six. If we're going to try and get this truck running again, we figured we might as well see exactly what we're working with. After getting the head off, we finally get our first real look inside the engine that's been sitting for who knows how many years. What we found definitely tells a story about this old truck's past. So now the big question is, will it run? And now, with the head off and the truth laid bare, we finally know what this old straight six has been hiding all these years. It's not just about whether it turns over anymore. It's about understanding what it's going to take to bring it back. So will it run? That answer is getting closer. In the next episode, we'll take the next step toward finding out. Thanks for sticking with us.